Hey guys, I'm going to show you a really quick hairstyle that I do on my hair sometimes when I don't really have a lot of time to spend fixing it, but I still want it to look cute. And it's kind of a hot mess like it is right now. It's 3-day-old, full of product. So yeah, total mess. And basically, any other day I would be throwing it up in a messy bun and just go with it. But I just thought I would do something a little more interesting today and show you what I do. I'm going to use the Biolage Air Dry Glotion because... By the way, I did say glotion and not lotion. This is an air dry glotion from Biolage. Look at my fingernail. I'm sorry, like that nail polish got totally ripped off, and this one too yesterday. But I'm gonna spray a little bit of this throughout my hair so that I can actually brush through it, but also it's gonna soften it, it's gonna make it more workable and kind of bring back a little bit of shine. So here we go. So now I'm just gonna brush through it to get the tangles out. I don't really want to flatten it, so I'm not gonna struggle. Anyway, I'm just gonna brush through it lightly. That's all. Okay, so here we go. I'm just gonna slide my fingers through my hair and get a section, split it in half, and put one over the other and hold it there. Then I'm gonna take one from this side and flip it over and hold it. Take one, so now I'm gonna take one from this side and go over and hold it there in the middle, and then I'll take one from this side. So basically I'm making like an unofficial braid. So I'm gonna go one more on each side. Flip it over and hold it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a bobby pin. I'll take my bobby pin, and I'm not gonna open it up. I'm just going to grab a little piece of that hair and push it over and through. So now that that's secure, I'm going to take an elastic and grab the rest of my hair, and I'm going to make a little bun. So then I'm just gonna like pull it apart a little bit just to make it messier, and I'm even gonna like pull and loosen all the rest of my hair. And now for the front, to finish off the look, well, first of all, I'm going to just tug and loosen everything a little bit because I like my hair a little bit more full and big. And then I'm gonna pull out, so yeah, I just kept pulling out more face framing pieces just to make it more loose and lived in and less purposeful. And of course, I feel like you just can't make it big enough, so I'll probably just keep pulling at it till there's not much left. But anyway, so that's the finished hairstyle. Pretty simple and easy and quick when you don't have a lot of time, like I'm late for work right now. So hope you liked it.